This is the Humane AI Pin and is supposed to be a device to replace the smartphone technology. It comes with some exclusively exciting features. It's been able to translate languages in real time with hand movements and gestures. You can also control this device. But the question here is, can it? First off, the specs. The AI Pin uses Qualcomm 8-core Snapdragon processor with 21 GHz, which also includes 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. The device itself has a battery within its computing unit that is supposed to give it 4 hours of battery life and another external battery, bringing run-up time to about 9 hours. The pin supports Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, and 4G light. One thing that interests me about this device is the transparent cross light, which I must say is pretty good at indicating when optical or audio sensors are active, which is really good for ensuring data security. Well, in 2023 alone, there have been a lot of complaints about smartphones listening to their users without permission. But with this, it indicates when your microphone are active. Based on personal opinions, I just feel there are some things that are not going to make this device worthy to replace this smartphone technology. During the launch of this device, they said the Humane AI Pin doesn't use a screen but uses a projector to display the UI onto your eyes. But I just feel there are some things that needed to be addressed, like how well it's going to perform under direct sunlight, and do I really have to keep my eyes still in a particular position for it to display the UI onto my eyes, or does the pin projector has a tracking feature like for it to track my eye, or do I have to actually keep my eyes still in a particular place for it to display the UI onto my hands? Well, it was also announced that the AI Pin uses voice to interact with its users, but me personally, I just feel like as a smartphone user, there are some times where I don't just want to say anything but still be able to interact with my device. Well, the way you interact with this device is pretty unique, using hand gestures, voice commands, and it also has a feature that allows you to translate languages in real time. Well, I don't know if you all agree with me on this, but we mainly use our smartphones for entertainment and communication. Well, in means of communication, I mean like sending text messages, FaceTime, phone calls, or even sending emails to friends, family, or even for work. Well, entertainment, scrolling on TikTok, scrolling on Instagram, using Twitter, which is now called X, and some other social media platform, playing games. But with this device, it is completely wiping out entertainment, because there's no way you can play games, there's no way you can use Instagram or you can use any social media platforms with this device, which I think about 95% of the users won't really agree with. Well, this device is priced at $699, and it also comes with another paid subscription for the Humane AI network for $24 a month. This is a very good startup for the future of gadgets with the AI Pin, which is a revolutionary device that promises to redefine the way we interact with technology, but I feel there's still a lot of improvements that needed to be made on this device.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.